all the Mexican moms in Mexico, they're like, I feel the force, the darkness. Somebody opened a can of beans and is making homemade beans with it. All right. You're probably going to hate me for this. I'm Mexican, Latino, you know, bacon and beans. But we're not going to make bacon and beans, all right? We're going to make refried beans out of regular pinto beans. I know, I'm being lazy, but hey, I'm going to show you what to do, how to get the freaking flavor so good with these, all right? Just like if they were mom made almost, all right? Guarantee you, if you try this, all right? So we are going to cook the bacon. We're not going to eat the bacon. We're not going to mix it up with this. We're just going to cook it. Use the oil for the actual beans. Let's go do that. Okay, so right now, we're cooking just the bacon. We want the oil from the bacon. Get that nice flavor going, all right? We're just gonna get some oil going. So we get liquefied. We'll take these guys out. So it only takes 2 or 3, but mostly, you know, because I'm only doing 1 can, I'm gonna do 2. All right, so we're extracting the lard from the bacon while I'm putting things away. So get the can ready too, and get all the juices out of the can. All right, get that flavor going. Almost done with the bacon. I'm gonna take it out in a bit. Just need the oil, more oil. Let's get the smasher ready. As soon as you see it cook, you take it out and make sure you save the oil. That's what we want. We want the greasy, nice greasy oil that we want to extract from here. All the lard on the, yes, all the fatness. Put this on the side. We're gonna get a paper plate ready to go for those bacons when they're ready to cook. Accelerate the fire, but I'm standing away from it because this thing's hot. It's hot. Turn on the fan here. Get some of the smells out. This thing's cooking really quick. We're gonna turn it down right now in a bit. As soon as we see that the bacon's ready, 1 more minute and it should be ready. All right, turn it down. All the way down to number 2. Shake these out as much as you can. All the oil, get it out. Then put them here. Look at all that dripping. I should put the other one back, like drip them, both of them drip. Squeeze the oil out. So we're gonna drip it a little bit. Try not to swing it because, all right, get that nice and juicy. I think the last of the dripping, there it goes. The last of the dripping, there it goes. The last of the dripping, there it goes. All right, get them going. Movement side by side. Bacon's ready. Now, we're not gonna eat the bacon. We're just gonna add our beans. From the can. All right. Start smashing them. Get the juices all around. I'm gonna turn off the fan now. It's gonna splash a little bit, but who cares? Oh, what lost one? No prisoner. Get it going. No need salt or anything, all right? Get it going. We're missing 1 more ingredient. That's very important. Not yet done. We're missing the important ingredient that you need. You must. 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. 1. That's it. That's it. Get that milk fat going. Start squishing them around. You can turn it up a little bit if you want, but let this get nice and juicy, moist. That's what she said. Get it going. All the Mexican moms in Mexico, they're like, I feel the force, the darkness. Somebody opened a can of beans and is making homemade beans with it. They're probably saying that across the motherland. Mijo, no, don't do that. My grandma's right now, probably in heaven. What you doing, mijo? Don't do that. You're making a mess. But it's okay. I think we're done. We're done. Got all the juices, get it going. And we're pretty much done with this. Out of a can. Make them look good, taste good. And look good. Maybe not. Alright, but they're gonna taste good. They damn will. How do I know that? Because I'm turning it off now. We're gonna find out. So if you guys are lazy like me, or you want to find something simple to do, this is how quick it is. So let's serve ourselves. All right, here it is. We got our little pork chop, our beans, and our steamed vapor tortillas ready to go. So enjoy it.